Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to link Fortnite account to PS4, PS5, Xbox, Switch, PC and mobile accounts. It's pretty simple to do. First of all, go to your browser, go sign into your Epic Games account and just sign into it. After that you will be redirected to this page. If not, then click on here and go to account option. After that you want to go ahead and click on apps and accounts. And from here you can simply connect your account here to the any of the apps basically. So for example, let's go ahead and try to connect to Steam. You're gonna click connect, then connect account. After that you will need to log in to your Steam account, so just let me do that. After that you're gonna click continue because your account was successfully connected. And that's how you can connect it. You will see that message there once you will connect it, and you can do this to all of these platforms. So if this video was helpful guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.